Could be kicking this door. Down. Let go of me. Oh, okay.
Have you ever seen someone push their luck with the police and get more than they bargained for? In today's video, we're looking at 3 intense moments where entitled Karens crossed the line, leading to their arrest. And even getting punched in the face by law enforcement. Let's get into it. On February 28, 2023, officers responded to a call about a woman who had broken into a home and jumped into the homeowner's pool. Concerned about the unusual behavior, the homeowner called the police for help. When officers arrived, they found the woman acting erratically and tried to arrest her.
No, I didn't. I took God. Let go. Let go of me. Why are you holding on to me? You make me feel anxiety. Am I arrested? Get off my arm. You're making me feel too. Thank you. Put it in the air condition then. I'm getting with the fucking video. If you want to be national known, hold love. GFC. God did this to me. He told me in 22 when I didn't have a clue. Carolyn and Ben Johnson's nephew says to me, actually marry me. No. I can't. I'm doing the best I can. I got cotton mouth. I got hair in my mouth. These bitches are fucking witches. I know because I'm a white witch, but I didn't accept it. But then I found out today, I'm allowed. I have my hair in my mouth. Help me. He won't let me go because he's pulsating. He's pissing me off. He's in there.
Just stand normally. Stand normally.
As the officers attempted to detain her, the woman made several confusing and erratic statements talking about God, witches, and her personal history. Despite multiple warnings, she continued to resist and refused to follow instructions. The officers had to physically restrain her in the back of a police vehicle to prevent further disruption. Throughout the process, she repeatedly accused the officers of hurting her and demanded they let her go.
In a bad way.
Stand
normal. You're not going to look good.
I'm sorry.
You're not going to look good in the clips because you're holding my arms too tight.
Yeah, stop turning
It's too tight. Let it go.
Turn her out.
I haven't done anything wrong. Am I arrested?
It's only getting
Get off of me.
Keep turning her out.
Get off me.
Relax.
Relax. Get off me.
Hey,
you want
to catch another charge, do you?
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I'm scared. Please don't hurt me. Ah.
Don't hurt me.
Whore? Did you call me a whore?
I told you not to.
I told you not to fucking hurt me, and that's all I wanted you to do. You've hurt me.
I think you've succeeded in upgrading your charge to resist arrest.
Thank God. Thank God. Thank you, God. This is for God. He's my divine creator. We are having a special union.
Yeah, well, what's your name? What's your name?
Ashley Nicole Berger.
Ashley Nicole Berger.
B626.
Ashley, what's wrong?
Yeah, I want to tell the story for God.
What's wrong?
Because God told me to do. I didn't do any of that. Look at my feet.
You're in Braddock?
No, yeah, I used to live here.
You still live here?
I got out of rehab. At Salvation Army. Bring me down the stairs. That's why I can answer your question. I can answer your question. Please let me answer your question.
What?
Pull it back. Pull it back. I just peed my pants. That you're in trouble, not. I'm not in trouble. Y'all are making me feel overwhelmed. I'm doing this for God. You hurt my shit. Look at my feet. Stop hurting me. I don't feel good. You understand? Don't make me take this away from you. Get off me now. Get off me now. Look at me now.
I'd like to just put her in the car because I won't have any problem.
No.
You can't do that.
Have you guys ever heard?
I mean, just
Let
empty
me
her
put my
pockets.
shit back together.
At one point, the woman managed to escape from the police vehicle and bit one of the officers in an attempt to resist arrest. This act of aggression escalated the situation, leading the officers to restrain her again and secure her more tightly. After being brought to the police station, she continued to make incoherent statements, accusing the officers of breaking her arm without any evidence to support the claim.
Don't touch me. You don't touch me.
Hey.
No.
Okay.
Let me go.
All right.
Do now.
You got nothing in your pockets.
Let me go. I have a herniated disc in my back.
Relax.
I'm losing my lawsuit.
Get her up and put her in the
Get her up. Get her up.
Get up.
Get up. Now. Get up.
We're just trying to put
Let
your
me
clothes
have
back
freedom
on,
of
lady.
speech. Let me go.
Stand
Now
up.
you're hurting me.
Well, at this point, we don't need a statement for DC.
Oh, you got the resistance as well.
Help me.
Please, cover yourself.
No, please, you help me. Help me. I don't want to be hurt anymore.
I'm sorry.
Please, you're hurting me. She put me down the stairs. She put me down the stairs. That's why I asked. I can answer your question. I can answer your question. Please let me answer your question.
What?
Hold back. Hold back. I just peed my pants. Because you're in trouble, not. I'm not in trouble. Y'all are making me feel overwhelmed. I'm doing this for God. You hurt my shit. Look at my feet. Stop hurting me. I don't feel good. You understand? Don't make me take this away from you. Get off of me now. Get off me now. Look at me now.
What I'd like to do is put her in the car because I don't have any problem.
No.
You can't do that.
Have you guys ever heard?
I mean, just
Let me put my shit back together. Hold on.
I don't think so.
Let me get you together. Don't touch me. You don't touch me.
Stand still.
Hey,
No. Nope.
Stop.
Let me go. Let me go now. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, honey, get this in my back.
Relax.
I'm losing my lawsuit.
Just get her up and put her in the
Get her up.
We don't need a statement for
You're
DC.
hurting me.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah.
she's got the resistance as well.
No, I
man.
don't. Help me.
Help yourself.
No, please, you help me. Help me. I don't want to be hurt anymore.
I'm sorry.
Please, you're hurting me. You're hurting me. God, I love
We
you.
gotta get in the car,
I
right?
love you, God.
We gotta get in the car.
Come on, Ashton,
Oh,
get up.
yeah. Let's go.
Get up.
Come on.
There's a step
On
in.
it. There we go. Go.
Fuck you.
Down. Let go of me.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, don't pull her too far yet.
Whatever you need to do. I surrender.
Try
I
to
surrender,
fight me.
soldier. I surrender, God. I surrender.
You want to grab that?
I'm
I'll
not
grab
in the
her.
cold right now.
I can't see. We gotta bring it.
It's right here.
You want up to her knee?
The woman was charged with several crimes, including resisting arrest, battery on a law enforcement officer, assault, and disorderly conduct. Her actions violated state laws that protect officers during the performance of their duties, specifically laws against resisting arrest and committing battery on a police officer, which is a serious offense that carries significant legal consequences. On January 19, 2024, officers responded to a call reporting a battery incident that involved a physical altercation between several individuals. The situation had escalated significantly by the time the police arrived, with tensions running high among the people involved. A woman, identified as the main aggressor, became the focus of the confrontation after violently attacking multiple people during the incident. Witnesses described the scene as chaotic, with the woman repeatedly striking others.
I got it. Look, I'll put it here. Here, take these off. I'll help you. All right. Hey, look, I got it. Let me get her. Can I get her? Stop. I got you. Here. Take these off. Look, I got it. Here. Presley, I got it. Here. Let me hold her. Just take them off. Here. Here. I got it. Here.
Oh, I don't want anything.
Calm down. Come on. Here. Harley.
No.
Relax. Harley. Don't touch me. What did I do? I was trying to get her. I was going to calm everything down.
Get the off of me, you. Get the off of me, mother.
I was trying to prevent all this. I understand. I'm trying to arrest me. I wasn't doing.
As the police attempted to arrest her brother, the woman intervened aggressively, physically assaulting one of the officers. She tried to protect her brother from being detained, but in the process, she crossed a serious line by attacking law enforcement. Her behavior grew even more disruptive when she resisted arrest, verbally abusing the officer and making it difficult for them to control the situation.
God.
Get the off of me.
Stop.
Why is so?
You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
Standing around.
You'll be all right.
I'm good, dude.
You're good.
Get the off of me.
All right.
Harley, Harley, you're too far going there.
Relax. It's over. It's over.
4:30 Central. I got 1:10:15. Harley, stop. Get on the ground. You won't help her get in the vehicle. I'm gonna hold her down to my 94 gets you. Can I help you get in the course and then just hang tight?
No, don't touch me.
All right, can y'all go on?
I'm gonna drag you by the balls.
You're good. I got it. Yo, you let go of my radio right now. Let go of my radio. Let go of my radio. You're making it worse. All right, come on.
You pussy little. Get off of me!
Oh, she just hit a cop.
No, that pussy little. I'm over the street.
Central 413.
With that. Here.
Tag provided does come back to a 20
Can we put her in the car, please? I don't want to go home. tight over there. Thank you. You got your boy.
Get off! Get off my face! So perfect! Get off my face!
Alright, we're gonna get her up. She battered me. She punched me.
You are
Right.
going down, I promise you.
Stand up.
Wyatt, stop! Wyatt, get off of me! I promise you, Abby!
In the back. Have a seat.
Why are you hitting me in my face?
You kick me out. Oh, stop! Just get in the car, please.
No!
Can I push her in there? Hold on.
No, Wyatt, stop!
It's on my shirt.
Are they to kill me? Wyatt, get off of me! I'll hit by you, I will get out!
Other one was
The two people that got the blonde girl over there, and then the
She's trying to find her phone. She threw her phone out. That one threw her phone out of the car.
And there's a man on the dock over there that's working. He works over there. She beat the crap out of him when he tried to prevent her from beating that girl anymore. Pummeled him, kicked him in his nuts, headbutted him.
Stab me.
Like,
So you guys weren't involved in this fight?
No, we were trying to stop.
I got
Like, she
called
was
out by
beating
a
her in the
customer.
middle of traffic.
So I came out and
She
called
was hanging out
911.
the car, beating the crap out of this other girl driving.
Witnesses reported that prior to the arrival of the police, the woman had assaulted multiple people, including a man who tried to stop her from attacking another woman. Alcohol played a major role in the conflict, as it was revealed that the woman and her group had been drinking heavily since the previous day. Despite attempts from her family, including emotional pleas from her mother and efforts by her father and brother to de-escalate the situation, the woman continued her aggressive actions.
I don't know if you're ahead of him or below him.
The charges that are being pressed on her right now, are they drunk and disorderly?
Right now, it looks like battery on Elio and battery against her.
So she's got 2 battery charges. And
Yes.
is she going to have a drunk and disorderly too? Do you know?
That's up to...
All because your cop wants to run into a situation you don't know what's going on.
Okay, Wyatt.
Well, he don't. He put me in handcuffs. I was talking to him.
Okay, well, he can't help that, so...
No, but someone above him can tell him he's a.
Oh, they're scared for their lives. They don't know what's going on.
He's got the little man syndrome, about 5'4". He just doesn't know what's going on. So many people like that.
So this was the friend that she got into a fight with right here?
Yes.
Do you know what happened?
I know that little midget cop can't take a 4-year-old girl. That's pretty embarrassing.
Yes.
She's my daughter, you have to talk.
Okay.
We'll talk to her for a minute.
Not right now.
Just to tell her to calm down and
calm
please.
down.
That's what we want to tell her to calm
Can I tell her
down.
to calm down? I'm her dad. Tell her she's a dumbass for refusing.
Go ahead.
Unlock that for a second. You right? Yeah. I'm just going to lower it down a little bit.
Remember, I had this one in my pocket today.
Angel, Andre, Maya,
What the hell, man? Harley, you got...
Let me out!
You can't. There ain't no getting you out.
I don't give a how the you let me run, you mother. I've been dragging all you through all this shit. I've always
Harley.
laugh. I made more money than all of you mother.
Harley?
Drive you. I always made more money than all of you.
I've never seen her that drunk.
What the f*** wrong with her?
She's been drinking since.
The woman's assault on the police officer, along with her violent behavior toward other individuals at the scene, led to her being charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. This crime falls under Florida Statute 784.07, which makes it illegal to strike or attack a police officer performing their lawful duties. Additional charges were possible depending on the state attorney's review, given the severity of her actions and the number of victims involved. On April 15, 2024, a police officer noticed a car driving dangerously on the road. The driver was speeding, hitting several vehicles, and creating a serious threat to others' safety. In response, the officer decided to pull the car over to stop the dangerous behavior and protect everyone on the road.
You have a license, registration, insurance?
No, traigo asilo.
Asilo político.
I don't know what that means.
Asilo. No,
Where's your
proceso.
license?
Mi proceso de asilo. No, estoy en proceso de asilo.
I don't know why you're in my face, but I need a driver's license.
No license, ticket. Porque no estoy en proceso de asilo. Y no choque el carro. No choque el carro porque no. ¿Cómo? Pues, ¿me está pidiendo las llaves de mi carro?
I don't speak Spanish, so I don't know why you're still telling me in Spanish.
I'm sorry. I am sorry.
When the officer approached the vehicle and asked the female driver for her license and registration, she became very angry. Instead of cooperating, she refused to hand over her documents and started yelling at the officer. The officer tried to calm her down and figure out what was going on, but she ignored him and continued to shout.
Hey, come on.
She wanted to leave.
Come on. Watch me.
Watch you do what?
Mira.
Yeah, you hit the car.
No problem. No problem.
You scuffed the car.
You, wait a moment. Esponje, jabón, agua.
No, that's not how it works.
Solution.
No.
As the officer continued to ask the driver to cooperate, her behavior got worse. She verbally abused the officer and even tried to physically attack him. Despite the officer's attempts to de-escalate the situation and give her chances to calm down, she refused. Seeing that the situation was becoming more dangerous, the officer decided he had no choice but to arrest her.
Hey, don't you have to fucking grab a cop like that again, bro? Give me that. Go ahead.
What are you doing?
I'll tase your ass. Go ahead.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Try me.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you
No
doing?
me pueden arrestar. Eso es ilegal.
33, start the units on the 2.
No me pueden arrestar.
This one.
Quiero un abogado. Quiero mi abogado.
Check her before she gets in.
Just I mean the park for pocket on the right. The door on the left. Tell you the park on the side.
Quiero un abogado. Fucking mal parió negro.
After a difficult struggle, the officer managed to handcuff the woman and take her into custody. She was later charged with multiple crimes, including disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and assaulting a law enforcement officer. These actions violated laws designed to protect public safety, such as resisting arrest under Penal Code 148A1, which makes it illegal to resist or obstruct a police officer. The driver will face serious consequences for her actions. And there you have it. 3 brutal encounters where Karens found out the hard way that disrespecting the police doesn't end well. If you were shocked by these moments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more wild encounters. And remember, there's always a limit to how much you can get away with.